Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Cinnamoroll holding a shiny glittery heart. So let's get started. To draw a cute Cinnamoroll, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a big oval. And then I'm going to come across nice and wide, say about right here, and draw another one. There. So now my two big ovals in, I'm going to come in between the eyes and draw the mouth. So right about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw this wobbly W and come right back. There. And then now that I have that, let's see here. We're going to go ahead and draw the face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye and come out about right here. Give myself a point. Same thing over here. About right there. And we're going to draw the basic mochi shape head. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve coming out on both sides. Just to round the eyes. Then we're going to skip a little bit of space. Just imagine it's still going up, and about right here, skip a little bit of space, and then we're just going to go up to draw the top of Cinnamoroll's head. So we're just going to round it off to about right there and bring it back. There. So now this big, oops. And I forgot to stop right there, right? So I'm going to have to do some erasing later. Sorry about that, forgot. And then right about here, we're going to go ahead and finish the bottom of the face. Come in nice and wide right about there and bring it in. I knew something looked wrong. And go ahead and bring this back in to about right here. We need to stop because we need to draw a big heart. So I'm going to say about right there. Now pretty even on both sides, about right there. I'll stop. Then I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then let's see here. Let's go ahead and draw the hands. So right in this space we've created, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve for a small little Cinnamoroll hand. So just bring in a curve. And we're going to round this off and bring it around. So same thing over here. So it's easier to go this way. However, it's easier for you to draw and bring it in. There. Okay, so now that it's curved, we're going to go ahead and come right here for the body. We're going to come out on both sides, and let's just keep going. To about right there, I'm going to stop. Imagine this is coming through, so about right here, I'm going to draw a big wide curve for the bottom. About there, and then we're going to stick in some of these legs or feet. Nice and simple feet. And bring it in. So same thing over here. There. Oh, so cute, right? Hopefully. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the tail. So I'm going to come about right here and just draw a big curve. Nice and big for the Cinnamoroll tail. I'm just tuck it in about right there. Round it off. And then in here, you can come in and just draw a curve for some detail. And then the ears, of course. So let's come back about right here in this area. And we're going to come down for these floppy ears. I'm going to bring it out And stay about right there. Go ahead and round it off and bring it in. There. And one more on the other side. So I'll just drag this across. Super cute Cinnamoroll. And once again, same thing. And bring it in. About right here. And I'm just going to drag this across so that I know approximately. So let's just say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a little point. And from there, draw a curve. And connect. There. Nice long ears. And of course, the last thing we need to draw is a big heart. So finding my center, I'm going to say about right here. And I'm going to come down to about right here and give myself another point, and I'm going to go ahead and draw this big heart and fit it right into the hands. So right about here, and same thing on the other side. And let's bring this down towards the center, and once again same thing here. There. Okay, and so that is pretty much it for the drawing. I'm going to go ahead and color this with some basic water, just your basic color markers, Crayolas. And then for the heart, I'm going to try to make it look like glitter by using try your best to find maybe at least two shades of whatever color heart you want. So like a lighter, so I'm going to do red today. I'm going to find a lighter red and then a darker red, and then also a whiteout pen or something that you can make some white points with. And so the technique is basically just going to be a lot of pushing of the marker to create little dots to create the look of glitter. So let's get started. So they're all done. I really hope I helped you draw and color Cinnamoroll today holding a glittery heart. So hopefully it looks like it's glitter. Like I said, just try your best to find 3 shades of the same color so that you can create this look, and then also like a whiteout pen. And also the same idea is to just go in there and draw in all these, put in all these dots, and then at the end you can create these little sparkle effects right here to add to make it look more like glitter. But I really hope you love how this turned out, and I helped you draw this cute Cinnamoroll to celebrate love. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.